my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken stir fry. And guess what? I'm gonna show you how to make this meal in under 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to meal prep it, and I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy alternative to this meal. So it's the new year. I know everyone's trying to lose weight and get their life together. So these next couple of videos, or every other video, I'm gonna just be making healthy meal preps that are like 30 minutes and under. Quick meals that you can make. So if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And let's get ready to make this meal. First thing you're gonna do is gather 4 to 5 chicken breasts, and you're gonna slice it just like this. You really wanna try to slice them evenly. I sort of didn't, but I really tried to, so that they can cook evenly. So this is what you're gonna do with 4 to 5 chicken breasts. So once you finish cutting your chicken, it should really look like this. So you're gonna pour some olive oil on the chicken so that the seasoning can stick. And first you're gonna go in with your Mrs. Dash seasoning. I'm gonna label all the seasonings in the description, you guys. And once you go in with your Mrs. Dash, you're gonna go in with your poultry seasoning, or you can use any type of chicken seasoning. I'm just using this. Then you're gonna go in with your Tony's Creole seasoning. This is one of my favorite seasonings. It's just perfect for everything, literally. And then you're gonna go in with some garlic powder. And after you go in with your garlic powder, you're just going to put some paprika on the seasoning. And then you're gonna give this a really good mix. So mix this up really well, you guys. And because this is a 30-minute meal, we don't have time to let this marinate. So that's why, you know, I recommend to put the olive oil down first so the seasoning can't stick. Now it's time to cook your chicken. So I'm using avocado oil because this is a great oil to cook food with on a high temperature. So because we're going to be cooking this on a medium-high fire, I definitely recommend to use avocado oil. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You're going to mix this up just a little bit. And then you're going to add your chicken to your pot. So like I said, this is a 30-minute meal. So if your fire is on medium-high, it should not take no more than 10 minutes to cook your chicken. You should be watching it the whole time because you don't want this to burn at all. So give this a good stir every 2 minutes, and everything should be cooked within 10 minutes. The max I think it should take you is 12. Now you should be turning your fire down a little because now you're going to take out the chicken. And once you take out the chicken, you're then going to add in your broccoli and string beans. Also, you guys, I'm sorry, this is not string beans. They're French beans. They're sort of the same thing, but I like French beans way better, but you can use string beans too. You're then going to place in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and you're going to place that into the pan with the broccoli and string beans, and you're going to allow this to cook. And I say this can cook roughly about 5 to 8 minutes. Halfway through your broccoli and string beans cooking, so maybe about 4 minutes into your vegetables cooking, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger. And then you're going to give it a really good mix. Next, you're going to add in a GOYA seasoning. It's like a salad and vegetable seasoning. You can find it in the Spanish aisle in like any supermarket. It's usually next to, I believe, Sazón, like in the GOYA section. So you're going to add half of this pack. So not the whole pack. You're going to add half of this pack to the broccoli and string beans, and then you're going to add the other half to your next vegetables. Now we are cooking our peppers. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger. and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm going to separate everything in the description box of what you need to put for each section. Now you're gonna add in your yellow onions sliced up, and then you're going to add in your red and yellow onions sliced up. I decided to use red and yellow because they just taste better to me. But you can use green, you can use any type of peppers you want. But I just mixed in 1 yellow onion, 1 red, and 1 yellow. So you're gonna give this a good mix, and you're gonna allow this to cook for about maybe 5 minutes. And then you're gonna add everything back into the pan and stir it all up. Here I am trying to shake the pan, or I don't know if it's like flipping the food, you know, like those chefs be trying to do, but you know, I didn't want my food to end up on the floor or like all over the stove because I am meal prepping this. So maybe I'll try it one day and hopefully I'm successful with it. This meal is finished within 30 minutes. It is a healthy meal and it's a meal prep. You guys, I was able to get 4 meals out of this, so you're gonna be able to get 4 meals out of this, and you can't beat this. Honestly, I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but I know I didn't pay more than $50. Now also keep in mind, I live in New York, so food is expensive, but I shop at BJ's and Costco's, like stuff like that, so I do try to get things in bulk at discount. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in next Sunday because, like I said before, I am dropping cooking videos every Sunday. If you haven't done so already and you have gotten this far in the video, please like and leave me a nice comment.